Today I'm cloning my pomegranate tree, so stick around, I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's go ahead and cut this right here. That's a nice size right there. Okay, so I got actually about 10 more of these clones, these cuttings, because I just got through pruning. Instead of just throwing away all of the branches from my pruning, I decided to make about 10 more of these clones here and add them to this glass jar. Let me just show you what it looks like. So again, I stripped off about 3 inches of the bottom leaves. Don't let these sit around for too long. As soon as you do this, you want to get them in the water. What you want to do is give it a little mist. I have this nice misting spray bottle. Try to keep this misted. Water will be able to absorb into the leaves, and it'll keep it from drying out. So now, let's go ahead and put this back in a shady area, and we will simply wait about a week. I have a little compost tea here. You can see it's maybe a tablespoon or so, or maybe 2 tablespoons. A couple tablespoons of that. Put that back in. There we go. So now it has a little bit of nutrition in there, compost tea, fungi, bacteria that will help get those roots started. I think I'm going to go right over here under this avocado tree. This might be a good spot. You want 100% shade all day long, no direct sunlight at all. This is about 9 or 10 days later after I chopped these off that pomegranate tree, and you can see how fresh and healthy these still look. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and plant these now. Okay, this is one of my pomegranates that I grew first, and one of my first clones of a pomegranate I did, and it's looking great, definitely alive. I want to show you though what it looks like. Oh yeah, roots, look at that, right through the bottom. Whoa, look at this. So I just emptied this out, and look at the root system it's already formed. This thing is doing great, look at that. All right, here it is, 2 months later. We have a rooted pomegranate tree from cuttings, a clone, an exact duplicate of its mother, the mother plant. And it's doing really well. So, anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you stick around for the upcoming episodes so you can see Pumpkin here. And we'll show you how to clone some more trees. But for now, we got 2 pomegranate trees right here. That is pretty awesome. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, click like and comment below. And yeah, go out there and try this. Make sure if you have pomegranate trees, try this. I guarantee you this is probably the easiest fruit tree you'll ever be able to clone. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. We're out of here.